Hi, my name is Chaim and I work with the Esri Canada Public Works team here out of the Toronto office. Today I want to introduce to you the new Workforce Starter solution, which is a cost-effective service that we offer to organizations that are responsible for infrastructure maintenance management. If you are responsible for recording your asset data and maintenance activities and are looking to reduce reliance on paper-based activities, streamline workflows between the office and the field, and increase transparency both within your organization and with your customers, this solution might be just what you're looking for. Let's dive into a quick demo of a typical implementation, and following this I will provide some more details on the service that we offer and how to contact us. Let's say you're responsible for maintaining your municipality's water infrastructure and buildings. Here's your GIS inventory. We have buildings in orange, hydrants in red, and water network in dark blue. The ArcGIS platform provides you with a complete set of tools to update and maintain your inventory, whether working from your desktop, on the web, or out in the field. You can also choose from dozens of available web app templates to share your inventory within your organization and with your customers, promoting awareness and engagement with your team's work. Using the ArcGIS suite of mobile apps, your inventory is also accessible in the field. Your field staff will be able to explore your inventory, view asset data, navigate to their assets using their preferred navigation app, and even add annotations and notes to the map while performing work out in the field to share back with their team. Back in the office, let's see how you can manage a hydrants inspection program on top of your inventory. On the Assignments panel, I, as the supervisor, have a complete view of all my assignments. I can view the locations of my different assignments. I can also view who the assignment was assigned to, the status of the assignment, as well as additional information captured with the assignment. On the Workers panel, I can view the location in real time of my field staff. I also have the contact information in case I need to call them, and the workload. As the program advances, I can now sort by workload and choose to reassign assignments for a better balance between team members. Back on the Assignments panel, let's see how I can create some new hydrant inspections. I will first zoom into the desired location, and I will select all hydrants in this neighborhood. I've got 21 fire hydrants. Let's go ahead and select them all and create assignments. The assignment type will be hydrant inspections, and you can see the asset IDs captured for these assets. This is important so we can later on query, report, and analyze against the individual assets. Choosing my field staff, I can once again see the workload as well as distance. I'll select myself for these assignments. The priority would be critical. I can add a due date by the end of next week in the morning. And if required, I can also add some notes and attachments such as guidelines that I want my field staff to have access to in the field. I'll hit Create Assignments, and once I do that, I can see the new assignments added to my list as well as to the map. In the field, using the mobile application, I'm now playing the role of the field staff, and I'm receiving this push notification letting me know that 21 new inspections have been assigned to me. I can view the assignments on the map, or I can view them on the list. There are some special features I want to highlight on the mobile app, such as when I sort, I have a new option to sort by distance. This is extremely helpful when prioritizing my next assignment. I can also update my status. Am I working, am I on a break, or not working? And these changes will immediately be reflected on my supervisor's web app. Let's choose the nearest assignment, 59 feet away. I can open the assignment, acknowledge receiving the assignment, and start working on the assignment. As these changes are happening, my supervisor is notified in real time, reflected by this partially green icon, both on my mobile app as on my supervisor's web app. So my supervisor has a real-time picture of what's happening out in the field. Back on the mobile app, I can now start performing my inspection and capturing the information on an inspection form that was specifically designed for this hydrant inspection program. The asset ID is already pre-populated, passed on from my asset. The condition of the valve needs repair, condition of caps is fair, condition of packing, condition of nozzles, and I have a calculated field here for the overall hydrant condition. Does it need painting, has it been flushed, and confirm the hydrant make. Finally, I can add a picture from the field or stored locally on my device. I will select this photo, submit the inspection form, and that's it. Now, let's say I also noticed that the hydrant is recorded in the wrong location. To fix that, in my assignment, I can choose to collect add assignment. This option allows me to collect new assets in the field or update existing ones. I'll zoom in, select the hydrant, and in editing mode, move the hydrant to the correct location and commit my edits. I can now go ahead and finish my assignment, upon which my assignment will be removed from my to-do list, from my map, and as well from a Supervisor's web app reflected by the now complete green icon, letting my supervisor know that this assignment has been completed. Now, you can have multiple projects defined for different workers and different workflows. Let's see a different example of how you can perform reactive maintenance to address incoming service requests. In this scenario, a citizen has called in to report a damaged traffic sign. I can search for the location, 103 Canyon Boulevard. And when zooming in, I can identify the relevant asset, in our case, a yield sign. I'll go ahead and select the asset, create the assignment on top of the asset. The assignment type would be a street sign repair. The asset ID is captured for this activity. I'll assign it to myself with a priority of critical. Due date by tomorrow in the morning, and that's it. I'll go ahead and create this assignment, which will then show on my Field Crews app. Back in the field, the workflow is similar to the previous one. I can open my assignment, acknowledge receiving it, start working on it, only this time when opening the attached survey, I can see I have a very different survey which is specifically designed for this street sign repair. The asset ID is already captured for us, so is the start time. However, now I have the option to capture the actual resources that were used for this activity. Let's add 1.5 hours for each of the 2 field staff. I can also capture and track the equipment such as vehicles used, the material, and I'm also being prompted automatically to complete an inspection for the newly repaired sign. The sign reflectivity, face condition, pole condition, if it needs any additional repair or replacement, and we have a calculated field here for the condition of 1, so very good condition. I can add a photo, add the inspector's name, and submit the inspection. Back in Workforce, I will finish the assignment, which will remove it from my to-do list. So these were 2 examples for infrastructure maintenance management. The first one for a proactive hydrant inspection program, the second one for reactive maintenance. The last building block we'll add is an interactive, real-time dashboard allowing us to monitor the program status as well as access the collected information. Over here I can see a list of all incoming inspections from my hydrant inspection program. I can have that list filter as I zoom and change the extent of my map. So zooming back to the previous location, I can now go ahead and select the most recently submitted hydrant inspection. I can see the condition data captured in the field as well as the photo. I can also have multiple projects show in this dashboard, such as information coming from a science inspection program. Back to our previous neighborhood, I can choose to view specific inspections coming in real time. I can choose to view information for an entire neighborhood. And these elements, such as the list and the charts, will filter accordingly. Or I can choose to view information for a specific asset, such as this sign over here. This will allow me to view not only the most recently submitted inspection, but any historic maintenance activities performed on this asset. Adding charts to the dashboard allows me to interact with my information. Maybe I want to be able to see signs that were in very good condition. Maybe I want to see signs that were only in good condition or even fair condition. I can also filter by any other available information, such as by the inspector, the date the activity was performed, and any other available information. That's it. This brings us to the end of this demonstration. We walked through some of the available tools to access your inventory, showed how you can coordinate your field staff's workload and collect asset and maintenance data from the field, and finished off with building an interactive real-time dashboard to monitor your programs. If you are looking to implement a similar solution tailored to your needs, Esri Canada is excited to introduce the Workforce Data solution. With more than 20 years of experience working with public works and utility teams across Canada, Esri Canada's industry experts will work with you and lead a 3-step implementation process consisting of the following steps. Step 1. Gathering requirements. Our team will work with your team to identify your current and desired asset maintenance workflows. We will also assess your technological environment and provide recommendations as necessary. To jumpstart your solution, we will leverage our industry standard data models and inspection templates, making sure to get you started as quick as possible. Step 2. Building the solution. Leveraging your current investment with the ArcGIS technology, our team will design a tailored solution to support your requirements. In the previous demo, we used various ArcGIS apps, but the beauty is that your end user doesn't need to be concerned about that. The apps seamlessly integrate with each other and allow you full flexibility when it comes to configuration to make them work for you. Step 3. Knowledge transfer. Last but not least, while we bring our industry experience and technical expertise to set you up, we also provide you with the tools to continue on your own. That's it for now. If I've been able to spark your interest, and if you want to hear some more, please don't hesitate to reach out to your account manager or to myself through the email below.